This is Alan with the Grilling Network. Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. You know the drill. Please subscribe, hit that bell icon, and smash that like button. As you can see behind me, I have a brand new grill. This is a new grill from LonestarGrillz. This is their all-new improved SantaMaria grill. It has a lot of new bells and whistles, and we'll be going over them in this video. Make sure to stick around. If you've been following my channel, you know that I have another vertical offset smoker from LonestarGrillz. I've been wanting a SantaMaria grill for some time now, and this will be my second grill from LonestarGrillz. Having the luxury of living here in Southern California and going to local places where they cook SantaMaria style, been spoiled, and now I get to cook it myself. LonestarGrillz has 3 sizes to choose from. They have a 3-foot, 4-foot, and a 5-foot. I opted for the 4-foot version. Like my vertical offset smoker, this SantaMaria grill from LonestarGrillz is built like a tank. Highly impressed with the overall build quality. Now let's go over the all new and improved features of this SantaMaria grill. The one that I'm most impressed about is the all new modular grates. The new grates are 1/2-inch carbon steel and 6 inches in width and very modular, and therein lies the beauty. Another add-on is the Argentinian V-style grates. This is going to be great to when you cook your proteins, that the grease from that drips into these channels, sears up, and then there's a tray that or trough you can purchase. I forgot to order it when I placed the order on my grill. Or you can get a plancha, which is almost like a flat top. The beauty is the options are limitless, where you can mix and match depending on how big your grill is. I'm used to seeing people cook on the flat style grates on your SantaMaria grills. And personally, I've cooked on flat tops on various other cookers, but never over open flames. And I'm super excited to cook on the all new V-grate system on this new SantaMaria grill from LonestarGrillz. Another added bonus of the new grate system is you can remove them as seen here and install the Rotisserie system. Now you'll have extra room as your meat rotates. This Rotisserie add-on can hold up to 80 pounds on the rod. Great for poultry and possibly a suckling. My wife wasn't happy when I told her I wanted to try cooking a pig, but we shall see. Another optional add-on to your SantaMaria grill is a collapsible stainless steel side table. Great for that added space when needed. Another upgrade I opted for was the upgraded 20-inch crank wheel. It's got a brake right here, just pull it. And as you can see here, it makes it very easy to raise and lower your grate. This is going to allow you to control your cooking temperatures by lowering it if you need more heat and raising it when it's too much. And as mentioned earlier, perfect for those new inserts. Another upgrade is the access door. This makes it easier to fuel and maintain your fire during the cooking process. It also helps with cleanup. More on that next. Another benefit from the LonestarGrillz SantaMaria grill and how it differs from their competition is they have removable cooking grates and do not use fire bricks in the cooking area. The thought is you get better airflow and fire control. The cleanup is much easier as you could just sweep the cooled off ashes in the pan below. The last add-on that I opted for was the side-mounted bracero. A bracero allows you to make your own hot coals from splits of red oak that you can add to maintain the cooking area. As you can see, the bracero has fire breaks. The thought here is it slows down the process of burning your splits while keeping the fresh coals hot. I know I've probably missed something, and if you have any questions, please leave comments in below and I'll do my best to get to them. You can also reach out to LonestarGrillz and they're more than happy to answer your questions. As with any grill, before you use it, you have to make sure you season it, as that sets and cures the paint. LonestarGrillz sends an email out when you purchase your grill on how to properly care for and season for your first cook. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to take a spraying oil like Pam, spray the inside of all areas in your grill, light a small fire, making sure that it's not too large, because if it gets too hot it can crack the paint on the outside and we don't want to do that. So I'm going to do that now. I'll do it off camera and we'll see you on the next cook. I hope this video was helpful and answered your questions you may have. Again, if I didn't answer them, please leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get to them. I'm really looking forward to doing my first cook. I'll be doing videos on upcoming cooks and posting images on Instagram. Make sure to check them out. And as always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.